What's up, guys? Me again. Today watching Clifford, the Big Red Dog official trailer. I used to watch Clifford growing up, so getting to see a live-action Clifford is... I gotta check it off on my to-do list, see how it is. I don't know these actors, I don't think. Jack Whitehall and John Cleese. I don't know who that is.
You may not believe it,
But Clifford,
magic
live action.
all around us.
The little puppy, you know, the little red puppy, there he is.
There are times it can be
And
hard
Emily
to
loved him
find
so
things
much that he became huge. Is that Emily? Oh, man.
But sometimes the magic finds us.
Look at you, Uncle Casey. So cute.
I'm so red.
How big is he gonna get?
That depends, doesn't it?
On what?
On how much you love him.
I wish we were big and strong, and the world couldn't hurt us. Clifford?
Hell yeah, that's so dope.
Oh no, we're gonna be late for school.
About the dog? Clifford, be a good
That's the part where they have to move out of the apartment.
Ew. Bless you. Shouldn't we try to hide him or something?
It's New York. No one will even notice.
Pizza. Just a big. Whew. Why don't we get you on the scale here, bud? I'm just gonna write heavy.
Hell yeah.
What if you found someone who made you feel like you could do anything? Clifford, no fetch! Oh no.
This dog is killing me.
That might be, it might be a good adaptation. It doesn't look bad. I mean, oh, spread him out.
Well, you don't see that every day.
Maybe it's time to feed him.
Yeah, it definitely looks good. All right, well, if you guys haven't seen Clifford, the Big Red Dog, the cartoon, make sure you check out Clifford the Big Red Dog cartoon. If you have, awesome. You're as ready for this movie as I am. Check you guys in the next one.